In this video, we are going to show you the 5 best computer vacuums. Let's save your time and money. I am going to show video reviews on the 5 best computer vacuums on the market. I have made it based on my personal researches, and I am try to list those based on price, quality, and more. Subscribe to our channel and press the bell icon for latest top-rated product updates. Number 5. Afmat Compressed Air Duster and Vacuum Cleaner. Featuring a Hurricane Super Motor, this computer vacuum cleaner rotates at a whopping 60,000 RPM. Its blower mode allows you to remove dust and debris with a high-powered gust of wind that blows at 28 meters per second. Designed to deep clean even the most microscopic of dust particles, this 2-in-1 cleaner does an excellent job of keeping various surfaces free of dirt and grime. It features a 6000 mAh rechargeable battery that works smoothly and seamlessly for up to 30 minutes, making it suitable for cleaning everything from computers and keyboards to cameras and other electronic items in the house. Number 4. Dorobeen Cordless Vacuum Cleaner. If you need a lightweight, compact, and highly powerful device to remove dust and debris from your computer, look no further than Dorobeen's Cordless Air Duster Plus Vacuum Cleaner. The remarkable cleaning effect it leaves behind comes from its 77,000 RPM motor and 10,000 PA suction power on vacuum mode, making this an effective and efficient computer vacuum. You can also adjust the speed and power in 2 different settings. Number 3. Honkayob Mini Cordless Keyboard Vacuum Cleaner. Honkayob's cordless and rechargeable keyboard cleaner is equipped with a rechargeable and built-in 2000 mAh lithium battery that lasts a generous 50 to 60 minutes after 4 to 5 hours of charging. The 2 different nozzle types, brush nozzle and flat nozzle, help you clean up dust and debris from the tightest corners of your home, leaving behind a clear, spotless surface. Further, its compact and ergonomic design lets you carry it anywhere around the house, while the DC5V1A low operating voltage makes it safe, convenient, and energy efficient. Whether you need to clean your PC, sewing machine, car interiors, or piano, this is one of the most versatile mini vacuums that can make your life easier. Number 2. Prowathlon Desktop Vacuum Cleaner. If you've been on the lookout for a powerful yet dainty device that keeps the hair and dust out of your PC components, this bright and user-friendly cleaner is an excellent choice. It comes with a universal USB charging cable and needs to be charged for only 2 hours to give you an impressive battery life of up to 4 hours. The high suction cleaner is powerful enough to rid your computer of messy scraps of paper, dust and debris, and pet hair, and is also easy on the ears as it keeps the noise to a minimum while cleaning. Number 1. Bridgei Mini Vacuum Cleaner. This computer vacuum from Bridgei has a powerful suction force of more than 2 kPa and is touted as one of the most lightweight and portable cordless vacuum cleaners out there. The compact and easy-to-carry handheld device is also powerful enough to clean your car interiors, workstation, kitchen cabinets, and of course, your computer keyboards. Its one end features the suction nozzle for vacuuming, while the other end houses the dust blow nozzle that keeps your computer and keyboard debris free. And equipped with 3 interchangeable nozzles, this tool is ideal for cleaning the nooks and crannies effortlessly.